Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through troubleshooting common Bluetooth headphone issues in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If your Bluetooth headphones are not functioning correctly in Windows 11, let us walk through some effective solutions. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side list, and then in the right pane, choose Sounds. Within the Sound settings, ensure that your desired headphones are selected from the Output Device list. This selection is crucial. Should this initial step not resolve your problem, proceed to the Bluetooth and Devices section and click on Devices. Here, verify that your Bluetooth headphones are listed and connected. After confirming the device connection, we will move on to updating drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. In the Device Manager window, expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs section. Locate your Bluetooth headphones within this list, right-click on them and select the option to update drivers. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.